From industrial management, I think, and but it can be used for psychology major, mathematics, physics. It's applicable for all majors.
We did discuss about artificial intelligence, deep learning and machine learning. I just tried to show you where we are and what is the scope of machine learning in the near future.
We can combine both print and online modules, online materials, to enable our students develop their communicative skills.
To increase e-learning, develop learning activities, facilitate engagement between students and teachers, and create an e-content bank.
Important contents you need to put inside your abstract, and for me it's always that originality, or the one that makes that contributes to the scientific body of knowledge.
To break down sometimes. We are not strong always. We have weaknesses, and it's okay not to be okay. But make sure that you will make way one step at a time to be okay. You can make it gradually, okay? Yeah. And lastly, smile always. It makes you handsome and beautiful.
And yeah, never try, never know. By I know. So you will never know what mobile game development is like if you don't try. So just try it.
However, imagine the difference of our life if the solution is available within fingertips, which makes it easier by simply scanning a QR code.
It's the same as the Vocaloid here, but in this, I just preview it for this. Okay, after edited like this, we can also add the
Pop-up Productions in Bahai was established as an animation company that specialized in producing their own intellectual properties. The company started on its first project when the film Gang of Adventures began, which launched in cinema nation worldwide in 2009. Lot of award and recognition, as for example, the most popular video in 2016, best television startup games, the best brand animation, anugerah kartun kesayangan.
For the texture, that you will only see the color on it, but you will not see any bump or something, the detail, displacement, scattering on it. But for the shader, you can see they will truly have a bump, reflections all on it.